Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 16. P varies directly as Q and inversely as R. Now when Q equal to 36 and R equal to 16, P equal to 27. P equal 27. Now find the relation between P, Q and R. To find the relation between P, Q and R. So it says P varies directly as Q and inversely as R. That means P is equal to KQ over R. KQ over R. Now the question says when Q equal 36, R equals 16 and P equal 27. Now we're trying to find the value of K. So it simply means that 27 is equal to K multiplied by 36 all over 16. Now 16 multiplied by 27 will give us 432 is equals to 36K. So K is equals to 432 all over 36, and that is equals to 12. So the value of K is 12. Now therefore the equation connecting P, Q and R is that P is equals to 12Q all over R, and that is option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.